Okay, so Yusuf got these two toys.
Open this.
Yusuf, which one you wanna
Open this.
open? Which one you wanna open first?
Open this.
Which one you wanna open first? The red one or the gray one?
Red one.
You wanna open the red one first?
Yeah. Oma. Ooh.
Don't move the table, Yusuf.
Oh.
Keep the table here.
Keep this table here. Oh my god! Oh my god, the boo is there.
Okay. Pull it out.
It's heavy.
Yeah. Let's pull that one out.
Oh my god, so big inside. Inside is the driver one. And this is the balloon. And this is the trunk.
We'll pull this one out.
The balloon. The balloon.
Nice. Let's get the screwdriver.
This
Where
car.
is it at?
I'll take it. Hey, I'll take that. You take this.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab the screwdrivers.
Wow, whoa, whoa. I'm gonna drive them.
Let's see if this works.
Blum, 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 blum,
You
blum.
said don't move the table. You're moving the table. Stay there. Stay on the seat. Let me open this quickly.
Oh.
Stay there. I'm gonna bring
Oh, baby, boop. McDonald's. McDonald's.
You said sit down, sit down, sit down. Are you ready?
Yeah,
Are you ready?
yeah.
How much ready you are?
3,
Hmm?
2,
Are you ready?
yeah.
No, you're not. And there you go. Okay, so sit on the chair and open the doors and the trunk. And tell the camera that, hey guys,
Hey guys,
look at the trunk, look at the doors.
look up the doors. How open this trunk?
Try it.
You try it.
Let me open this and then I'll try it.
You open the engine like this, okay? Boy. I need to drink that chip. This one. This one. Assalamualaikum.
Mommy's home. There you are. The other one is open.
I'll take this.
Okay, so open the doors and see what else the cars do.
Open this door. This. Let's open that. Let's do.
Okay, let's see if the trunk opens.
Okay. We go to the other side. To the other side. There. To this engine. Open this and then open this and then that. Open this and then open this. Now close this. Can I close this?
You close it. This is not how you close it. Close it properly. Do you know how to close? You don't know?
Put on this one. On this one. It's right here in the engine. Beep, beep.
Did you figure out?
Yeah.
No. Let me show you. So look at this. It goes like this. Okay. Park these two here. Yusuf, which one you like more?
This one.
Which one you like more?
This one.
I like red one more.
I like this.
You like the gray one more?
Yeah. You
Okay.
feed this.
Okay.
I'll feed it.
Yeah. Okay. So this is it for this video.
This is for this video.
See you guys next time.
See you just next time.
Say it again. This is it for this video. See you guys next time. Bye.
See you next time. Next time. This is our channel.
This is our channel. No, say subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to the channel.
Bye.
Bye.